Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Hair Care Jury, hi, I am Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing video series. A few months ago, I said that I would not buy any hair products for this Black Friday season. And for me, that's November to January because I already have so many products. Well, y'all, that's not the case. So I did good. On Black Friday, I did not buy any hair products. Instead, I purchased, and I don't even believe this was exactly on Black Friday, but instead I purchased skincare products from Decium's The Ordinary. And if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go ahead and check that out. I let all of the Black Friday sales go from all of the major brands, all of the major websites, all of the local stores. I did not make one hair product purchase on Black Friday or really that whole weekend. But then Sally Beauty did their annual 50% off hair product categories in December, and I was reminiscing on the previous year's Sally Beauty 50% off sales where they 50% off shampoos, and that included pretty much anything that could cleanse your hair. 50% off of conditioners, and that was every type of conditioner. 50% off of stylers, and it was every kind of styler, and 50% off this, 50% off that. And Sally's already has good prices, but 50% off of those good prices, y'all, I just couldn't resist. In this video, I'm going to open all of the boxes because I'm not quite sure exactly what's in them. And then I'm gonna do a separate video for each category of hair care products. Y'all know I like to either do my unboxing on video, or even if I don't do video, I take pictures of the whole process, because if anything is damaged or if anything is missing, we can see that directly when I open the boxes on camera, on video. So it's no confusion. Yes, I might be doing a little extra, I might be going a little bit too far, but y'all, every coin is precious to me. Of course, I have my handy dandy scissors, so let's open the first box. Here is the first box, and as you can see, it is completely sealed. The only thing I did was took the shipping labels off because I ain't trying to have nobody to come to my house. And like I said, I just want to open and see what's in it and make sure that nothing is damaged from what I can see, and then I'm gonna do a separate video on every topic. So this has a lot of, well, let me see. All right, this is a conditioner box. Let me put this on the side. Here is the second box, completely still originally taped and sealed, not opened at all. Just in case. All right, let's open this. Y'all, I'm so excited. But we're gonna have a talk about the sales this year as compared to previous years. Y'all, we're gonna talk about it because they were not the same. Almost broke a nail. Alright, so here is this box. And this one we got paper. Oh, now this, they do have stuff in a plastic bag, so I appreciate that. Alright, in this one I'm able to see the paper. This is the shampoos. So we're gonna put this box aside. Here is the third box, completely sealed. totally unopened. And let's open this one. Alright, and here's the paper. It's something how all of these come from Sally's, but they have like different packing stuff. So I got some of this. Let's see. And this is, looks like this is cleansers. Now that we have all of the boxes open, let's get started with the first sale, which was 50% off shampoos. I wanted to try a few new things, so I tried to get stuff that I didn't have already. I'm not going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to pull the stuff out the box and show you what I got. The first product that I got was the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracle Shampoo. This is 16 fluid ounces. I have heard about this product on and off over the years. This is not a new product at all. I don't recall ever trying it, but I wanted to. I also like the fact that there is tape over the top, so Sally Beauty is really trying to make sure that these products don't spill in the box. The next product that I have is by Curl Rehab. This is the 2-in-1 Hydrating Co-Wash Treatment for Dry, Frizzy Hair. This is coconut milk and avocado, and it is 16 ounces. This is also something new to me. I have seen it on Sally Beauty's website, but I think the reason why I didn't get it is because I didn't see a full line of products. I still didn't see a full line, but I bought this anyway. The next product that I have is the Just For Me Curl Piece Ultimate Detangling Shampoo. And the reason why I bought this shampoo, somebody guess why I bought this shampoo? But we gonna talk about it because it didn't work out like I planned. But I do have the shampoo. This is 12 fluid ounces. The next product that I have is from the Silk Elements Pure Oil Moisturizing line, and this is the Detangling Shampoo. If you want to know my thoughts on this shampoo and this line, check out the video. But I bought another shampoo, so that should tell you something. Then I have something new for me, and I 100% bought this because it was on clearance, y'all. This is the Cantu Flaxseed Smoothing Shampoo with flaxseed oil and shea butter. It is sulfate free, 13.5 fluid ounces. And I got this shampoo. It was on clearance and it was 50% off. So it was like $1.54. And I actually got multiple of these. And that's it for this box. Sally Beauty separated my shampoo purchase into 2 shipping packages. Here is the other package, and I do appreciate that these are in a Ziploc bag, again, to make sure that the products don't spill out. So I really appreciate that. And it's in the bag is taped down, and every product inside the bag is taped. And guess what? Nothing spilled. The first product that I have is from Ion, and this is the Curls Solution line Curl Defining Sulfate Free Shampoo. This is 10.5 ounces. I told y'all I'm a real fan of these tall, slim bottles. I like that. And you see it is taped. Y'all, I might have to say it is taped. The next product is also from Ion. This is their Detox Solutions line. This is the Cleansing Shampoo. I bought this product because I had tried the hair mask to this line a while back. Check out that video if you haven't seen it. So when I was perusing the Sally Beauty website and I saw that they had a shampoo and some other products to this line, I was like, oh, let me go ahead and try it because I really like that hair mask. So this is the shampoo to that line. Then I purchased a product from Maui Moisture, and it is the Lightweight Hydration and Hibiscus Water Shampoo. I like hibiscus, so that's what got me to try this product. I recently did a Maui Moisture video where I used products from their Vanilla Bean line as part of the Alphabet series. Make sure you check out that video and see my thoughts. The last product that I purchased as part of the Sally Beauty's 50% off shampoo sale is something that's very new to me. This is by Vernon Francois, and it is the Pure Fro Shampooing for Afro Hair, 8.5 fluid ounces. And I believe this was on clearance as well. And nothing else in this box. So in total, I purchased 11 shampoos from 7 different brands. I am excited about using all of these products, but they're gonna have to wait until I get through some of what's on my shelves now, unless if you want to see me try any of these products and bump up the demo and review to the front of the line, you can do so by supporting me via Cash App or PayPal. I'll have that information on the screen. Also, if you want me to try something that you don't see, you can also send it to me, mail it to my post office box, and those things will get bumped to the head of the line, and I will do demos and reviews on those products ahead of my normal schedule. So these are the products that I purchased for the Sally Beauty's 50% off shampoo. Stay tuned to the next video where I show you what I purchased during Sally Beauty's 50% off conditioner sale. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share this video and my channel with everyone you know. Until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.